Have you ever heard those scary sounds at night? They echo through the halls, making your heart race. One night, I decided to investigate the source of the noise. As I crept down the stairs, the sounds grew louder. Suddenly, a thud came from the living room. I froze, my breath caught in my throat, heart pounding. Gathering my courage, I slowly approached the door. With a deep breath, I pushed it open, revealing darkness. The room was empty, but the sounds continued, haunting me. Would I uncover the truth or be trapped by the night?